Okay, so here we are kind of slowly selling off pre-cash market open. Let's see if we hold this 800 resistance and then we kind of retest this potentially 700 or 704 and let's see if this could be a very good buying opportunity. The other scenario is that price will hold this kind of low right now, trade above 800 during the cash open, holds above and then kind of trying to retest the day's high and day's open price for a potential move up to 900s. If this happens, will be good reason to buy above 800s, but not sure if it will, because at the moment it just keep making lower highs, kind of double bottom here, but this could be a very good short opportunity against 800s initially. If this happens, then we have good chances to go down to 700s. Let's see how this will play out. So if you would like to see the macro picture on the daily here, we held support at these very important support areas, held 500. Let's see if we could retest 10,000 this week or even today and hold above, then build value above and then can have a retest of this kind of 10,300 area. So price held support here initially, buying resistance here at 800, broke it out, and since it's just rallying up, let's see how it will behave here at initial balance high and day's open price. So price sold off straight down for 3 minutes or so, held support initially here. Let's see if this will be good long opportunity and we have any kind of rebound or if it's just going to sell back down. Price failed to hold this support right here and immediately shorted. Let's see if we have a retest of this area down here, 700 area. So price kind of sold off straight down here, one time framing. Let's see how it will respond here at this 700 area and if it goes there or even below. If it goes below, we have a gap to fill here until 600 or so. So let's see, it will either find support right here at 600, at 700. So as I was saying earlier, this kind of pattern, I will try to buy it back here for a potential reversal. At the moment it has fulfilled almost more than 100% its average range from the open and it goes straight down, so we have 95 points. Let's see if any support right here or if it's going to go to 700. Still short right here. So just to see here what I mean, we hit the 100% of its average range. So this distance right here, it's the 100% of a move archived during the past sessions. Here is 140%. Let's see now if we have this kind of setup with kind of support right here at 700 and then we have a kind of bounce. At the moment still selling hard. Let's see. So we can see price consolidating sideways after this kind of 100% of its average range. Let's see if it goes back up to volume weighted average price or initial balance low of this kind of area here, which held initially and then failed, and then we have a continuation to the downside. Let's see how this will play out. So price flashed down here at the turn of the hour and I bought here for this kind of 700 area. Let's see now if we have any kind of bounce above this initial balance low and towards to this 772 area. Very nice bounce so far. I closed the position exactly here. Let's see if we have now a kind of retest of this volume weighted average price which coincides with equilibrium line and initial balance low of today's range right here, and then I will try to short it here for a continuation to the downside. Now the more time price spends between these two levels here, the higher probability will go further downside with a 76% chances for this to happen. So price held support in again at the retest right here, but still consolidating sideways. The more time it spends here, the higher probability will go for a new low. Let's see if this is the case. This proves to be the case, and if I would like to short it up here at 60s for a continuation to the downside. Okay, so here we are almost 4 or 5 hours later since my entry at this trade. Let's see now this range between from the 30 hours of cash market open until the US cash session open. This is the average range here, the 100% of the range. Let's see how price will behave if it goes here and breaks down 700s and this kind of lows here. Of course, we have a gap fill to go, and I would like to see if price can go back down to 140% of its average range. Let's see if we have any resistance and support down here. I'm still short this for 37 points, so I would like to scale out my position around here and below 700s and potentially see if we have any kind of support at this kind of previous high right here. You can see this kind of high. Otherwise this will just sell down to 600s, but then again it's to break down 700s. But as I was saying earlier, the more time spent between these two levels, higher probability will go further downside, and we have 76% chances for this to happen. So we just broke down this previous low here at 700. Let's see if we hold this downtrend and go towards to 600s. Again, we might see some bounce here at the US session, but of course, due to this snowstorm, this could be kind of limited. Let's see. A few minutes now until the US cash is open. Let's see, we kind of held support below 700. Let's see if we hold resistance here at the initial balance low of the day and we sell further downside for a move towards 600s. So we held support previously at this European low during the US cash session. Let's see if this support at 700 will hold or if we will have further downside. Looking for a move, if this breaks, for a move down to 657s. So here we are again testing this 700s area, multiple times support coming 4 times. Let's see if the 5th time will be the breakdown towards 650s. I will close the position down here. SPY made a new low for the day. Let's see if DAX will follow. We have US oil resistance at this volume weighted average price as DAX held to ice. These two could be very good short opportunities against these 772s, let's say. But let's see if this short since, I don't know, 6 hours, 7 hours ago will give us a trade down to 650s. Okay, so I closed the position right here below 700s. Don't see any more reason to hold. I mean, if it was about to do it, we would have done it already. Let's see if it's going to do it during closer to the US cash close or even after that. At the moment, we have a kind of very slow day, 150 points or so range. But again, the levels are very clear. Equilibrium line here, an initial balance low, perfect resistances. Another very good resistance to the tick is this 800. This could be very good short. As you can see here, down for 100 or more points if you are able to be patient and hold this short opportunity. I'm tracking SPY, the German bond, euro dollar, oil, and all of these are suggesting DAX will move lower. So let's see if finally I closed it early and if we will have a 650s retest. Remember, 650s area is this kind of high right here and in the middle of this kind of gap. So let's see. Again, we have a series of lower highs right here, but a flat kind of base right here below 700s. Let's see if now we find momentum to the downside. So we just actually briefly made a new low here and reversed again, so it was good to close the position around 700s. So today we had very slow session, but very nice levels as well if you are patient enough. So you can check out the YouTube channel right here and the stock Twitch and Twitter names. Yeah, you can see here some videos I have, trading news events. You can watch this as well and recent uploads right here. So that's it for today. Thanks for watching.